What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a great day. It's about 80 degrees outside. It's Tuesday night. We're headed to Brainerd. You already know the spill. Thomas ain't gonna be out there tonight. He's not feeling too well, but everybody else should be. So anyways, I don't think I have anything else I need to say. We're gonna head straight there. See y'all in just a few minutes. Here we are. Fun little fact, this Mustang that's in front of us right now was at work earlier getting some work done. No, wait. Anyways, it's gonna be a good night. Time, 7 o'clock. These idiots. Fox body went. Alrighty. Sir, I am recording.
$20 make you holler.
Oh, I don't know if we can put that in the video.
I didn't say what I was going to do to make you holler.
Hey, did you see that Mustang?
Yeah.
Fox body?
He went that way.
I'm pretty sure it's the same one that was at work.
He went that way.
Yeah. Hopefully let's see here.
He's coming back this way.
Thomas ain't gonna be here, by the way.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
He's a baby.
Thomas,
again, I was Sunday too. So.
Thomas, he's calling you out. Anyways.
Back it up, Terry.
Sir? Sir? Sir?
I had the key.
Wow. That's how close I am to losing my shit.
Oh, now you're touching.
Wow. The disrespect.
Back at it again. Back at it again. Put my car on Chip's car.
Twerk. What's wrong with you? Is that a snaky snake?
That's the famous noodle.
What are you doing? Hey, yo.
I need to get some breakaway pants to wear under these.
Oh, no.
No.
Wear nothing under the breakaway pants.
I'm scared.
Just for Chip.
Help.
Yeah. Holy crap.
Whoa.
That's it?
Whoa. What's up, dog?
I have something to tell you guys.
What?
Subscribe.
It's gonna pop up again? Did you see the last one?
Yeah, he was like, yes, I did it. That's funny.
Did you like how the music was going, then I did a little scratch? Yeah.
Yes, I loved it. I loved it. I love the intro too, like a little sneak peek too.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Jimmy, what's going
I've
on?
never had one though. That's
What are you gonna
That's
do?
why you should do
I
it.
don't want to shotgun a bad beer.
What?
No, it's
If
fancy.
I'd
It's
rather
fancy.
shotgun a bad beer than shotgun
you
a
shotgun it, you won't taste it.
Come on, Jimmy. Do it for the people.
That's what did it.
Do it for the tube. Damn exorcist over here.
Hey, just remember, if you got to spew,
Turn around.
No, you puke,
Oh,
you don't get
whoa,
10
man.
bucks.
I don't want any problems.
You puke, you don't get 10 bucks.
It's been since I've been shot. I don't think I've ever shotgun a big beer though.
You can do it.
You look like you can handle it.
Oh, I can handle it.
Yeah, see, you got it. It's fine.
We got that on video. Oh, I can handle it. He's laying out in the parking lot later. Come on, Jimmy.
You ever had a Guinness?
Huh?
Guinness?
Nope.
It's going to be thick. It's a thick
Why?
beer.
Go ahead.
Hurry up. We're already a minute into this video.
I knew I shook it up whenever I was walking.
And you're wearing sandals.
And I'm wearing sandals.
I know it's not your typical Angry Orchard, but you know.
White Claw.
White Claw.
White claw from
That.
He's more of a Zima guy.
Oh.
There we go. Rossville's finest.
It's almost all gone.
Proud of you, Jimmy.
You did such
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's going to conclude tonight's video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It was a little slow out there tonight. I don't know what was going on. Wasn't a whole lot of people out. But we've always got next week. That's for sure. Don't forget, we are trying to hit 150 subscribers so we can see Aaron, aka Terry, go reverse down the track. I know everybody wants to see that because it'd be funny. So anyways, if you haven't already, get down there, smash that subscribe button. We're getting pretty close. We're about 42 people away from being there for the video. So don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment. It all helps us out. We're trying to get up in the algorithm here so we can get these videos rolling in hard for y'all. I really appreciate everybody coming out tonight and everybody who's watching this video. We will catch you guys on the next one.